First of all, take a look at this channel. It has gained more than 3 million subscribers by uploading only 130 videos. This channel simply uploads miniature construction videos, and almost every video gets millions of views. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. First, copy the prompt that I'm giving you from the comment section. After that, open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, click on the search bar, paste the prompt there, and then click Send. ChatGPT will suggest a few ideas. Choose any one of those ideas and send it back to ChatGPT. After that, ChatGPT will give you 1 image prompt and 5 motion prompts. First, copy the first image prompt. Then open Flow AI and select the image section. Paste the prompt and click Send. Within a few moments, Flow AI will generate a high-quality image for you. After that, copy the first motion prompt from ChatGPT. Then go back to Flow AI and select the video section. Click on the image you created, then click Animate. Paste the motion prompt and click Send. In a few moments, Flow AI will animate the image and create a video. Play the video, and when it reaches the end, you will see a frame option at the top. Click on it. Flow AI will generate a new image from that scene. Now copy the second motion prompt from ChatGPT. Click on the new image, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. In the same way, use all the remaining motion prompts to generate the complete video. Once all the videos have been generated, open any editing software and arrange all the clips in sequence. After that, click Export, and that's it. Your video is ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week.